giveaway time. Hello, I'm Katie. Welcome to the Planner Channel. I am so excited to share two things that we are celebrating by doing a giveaway. The first one is that the Planner Channel has reached over 5,000 subscribers in about its first year. So to celebrate that, I wanted to do a giveaway. The second thing that we're celebrating is finally the Planner School has launched. The very first class, Planning 101, the Power Plan System, is now available. The Planning 101 class is all about functional and decorative planning. It's perfect for a planner newbie or for somebody who wants to take their planning to the next level. So if you want to check out the Planner School and the first class, Planning 101, all the information is in the description box below. You can find it at theplannerschool.com. Of course, everything about the Planner Channel is on theplannerchannel.com. And then information about entering the giveaway is also in the description box, but it's so easy. Just leave a comment and you'll be in the drawing. So let's check out the giveaway. To celebrate, we're doing a giveaway for reaching 5,000 subscribers and for launching the Planner School. Here's what's in the giveaway. A 2020 Rongrong Happy Planner Skinny Classic Planner. This is the brand new layout. It has your whole week at a glance on 2 pages. You'll have to check it out. This one's from Hobby Lobby. And then a couple of Rongrong matching things. The half sheet paper that matches to go in the half sheet planner. Some Rongrong stamps. A tiny pen case that will fit on the planner. And then a few sticker books, 2 classic size sticker books from the brand new collections from the Happy Planner, the Homebody and the Stargazer. 2 oldies but goodies in mini size, Supermom and Socialite. Socialite are some of my favorite stickers ever. Some multi-accessory pack stickers from Supermom, so these will match together. And that is your giveaway. There will also be a surprise item in the package as well. All you have to do to enter is leave a comment down below. Subscribe to learn how to use your daily planner to get organized, stay focused on your goals, and create a powerful plan for your life. Click the link in the description to download your free Power Plan Checklist. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe, share with your friends, and hit that thumbs up button. See you in the next video.